Hi there, and welcome to the Today We Craft channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make thermally insulated can cozies. You need a piece of thermally insulated wadding, 8.5 inches by 4 inches, a piece of outer fabric, 10 inches by 4 inches, and a piece of lining fabric, 10 inches by 6 inches. Start off by folding your outer fabric in half and sew along the open edge with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Next, take your lining fabric, folding it in half the same, and mark 1 inch in from the open side. Then mark 1 inch in from each end, and then 1/2 inch in from each side. Join up all these points and then sew along this line. Trim off any excess, then snip the points of the two corners, being careful not to cut your stitching. Fold this seam flat and iron on both pieces. Take a tin can, either empty or full, and wrap your wadding around it, making sure it doesn't overlap. Roughly sew to secure it in place. Don't worry about being neat at this stage, you're never going to see this stitching. Remove the wadding from your can and then turn your outer piece of fabric inside out, or right side in. I'm not really sure which way round it is. Place the wadding inside the outer fabric, lining up the edges. Then place your lining fabric inside these other two pieces. Make sure that the two seams line up and secure with a pin. Slide your can back in again and secure all three pieces together with some pins. Remove your can and snip off the excess points of your lining fabric. Fold this over twice to hem. Pin to secure, then do this all the way around. Slide this back onto your can again before repeating this process on the other side. Then it should look like this. Thread a needle with corresponding thread. We're going to invisible stitch around the hem. To do this, push your needle through the back of the hem on the lining fabric. Reinsert it into the outer fabric right underneath where your first stitch was. Push it through again through the liner fabric about 1/4 inch further down the hem. Repeat this process all the way around the top and bottom hem. And that's your can cozy finished! Perfect for parties, gifts or craft fairs. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit that subscribe button and also tap the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. See you next time!